Hi everybody, it's Tina.
And Allie.
Allie's spending a weekend with me, so this is Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I almost stuttered there. And I have some first ship mail sitting in front of me that I am here to share before me and Allie put it away. So that me and Allie can craft. Allie wants to do a fairy house. And I told her we have to kind of clean off the table before we get there, and all this stuff is out. So we're going to share what I got from Crafts by Tereasa. Can you wait for a second, Allie, before we start crafting? She's so anxious over there. She's like, Nana, can I? And I'm like, no, wait. So, first off,
I just want to spray it once on the
I know.
scrap.
But I got a few delusion sprays that she sent my way. So we got Pompeii Blue and Pomegranate. Awesome. Allie, you can put them right there. They're all out. They go right in that basket or either one. It doesn't matter. And I got some.
This one's full.
Yep. I got some glossy accents from Tereasa. That's cool. And then she told me this is UTI and it's powder. And she says it's really thick embossing powder. So that's cool. And then I think there's a glitter. Oh, yep. Here's a glitter. So, right here. It's very pretty. Look at that. Pinks, purples, and green. Okay, Allie, ready? Tall, long drawer, glitter. Yep. You'll see it all in there. Ready? See it? Awesome. Not this one. Close that drawer. Bottom drawer.
Left or right?
This way.
Which way?
This way.
Right.
Okay. Also some really pretty, she goes, what do you do with these sticks? And I'm like, I don't know. I let the kids use these with supervision in a hot glue gun. So them are pretty. Riley likes playing with them because then she thinks she's a grown-up. She can use the glue gun. So thank you, Tereasa. Second drawer. See, this is nice having an assistant, man. Nope. Right. This drawer.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay. My foot is not, though.
Oh, you hit your foot. So we got some Dura Clear High Gloss. Yep, just open the drawer. You'll probably see on this side, Allie, in the drawer, you'll probably see some glue sticks. Look at me. Look at me. Right on this side, underneath those bags, you'll see some glue sticks. See them? There you go. So, we got some Dura Clear High Gloss Varnish. I'm going to have to read how this is used. And then we got some E6000 spray, which I've never knew E6000 did a spray until Tereasa showed me. So that was cool. And then we got some Holly Jolly Christmas time ephemera pack.
It's been like 2 months.
Hey, it's always Christmas when you get a gift. I think it should be, and it is for me. We got Santa. We got the little car with the Christmas tree. We got a snowman. We got Holly Jolly. We got Christmas ornaments house. Snowflakes. Nice.
It's still been 2 months.
Okay. And we got this punch. Looks like a flower. I always think it looks like a flower. And this was on my wish list. And it was so awesome. It's a tab, guys. It's a tab. And I'll show you what I mean. And I'm just going to do a quick one.
Right here.
No. It looks like this when you cut it. I'm so stoked. Oh. And I probably, it looks like that. It's a tab. I was so happy to get it. So we got that from Tereasa. And then she had her little resin jars, which are so cool. I love these when I watercolor. I add a little water. It's just enough to clean my brushes. So that is the awesome friend mail from Crafts by Tereasa.
How long does it take to make this? The resin jars.
It all depends what type of resin she uses. That is a good question. You could ask Tereasa next time I have her on. She'll answer that for you.
Or if she sees this video, she could answer in the comments.
Yeah, she could answer in the comments too, because there's different resins for different things. And we have some stencils.
Hi, Papa.
Oh, Papa's home. We got hearts. We got that design, that design, that design. And then we got some people, which is totally cool. I love doing these. So thank you, Crafts by Tereasa, for this wonderful mail. I think I got everything. It's been one of those types of days, guys. So I want to thank you guys for watching. And thank you again, Teresa. I really greatly appreciate it. I love all my goodies. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.